Hello? Good day, my listener. This is not a mistake anyway. But it may seems a bit barbaric to some people that are looking at my video, or a bit strange. But why is he chewing stick on the screen, for God's sake? Who are those that he has even seen practicing this anymore? Why we have plenties of toothpaste in the market it can buy? But why this again? I know some people will say that, but don't mind them. Don't mind them. This is time that Western civilization has factually overcome the most valuable of our culture. You rarely see the young one practicing it anymore. Chewing of stick. They revert to using brush and toothpaste to do this, which are no more healthy and good as this one. Anyway, the reason why I'm here today with this stick is one of the most valuable twin stick we have in Ibadan, in Yoruba land. If I can't say in the entire Africa. I know it's one of the native apps in Senegal. And if you look at the screen, you will definitely see its name. It is known as Candlewood, Orin Ata. It is only when you take it there you will know that it is truly Orin Ata. If you have never tasted before, you won't know the essence of the name or where the name comes from. That Orin Ata. And Candlewood will let you, if you look at the structure, it looks like candle. Before I go into the function or the benefits of these plants I'm holding in my hand, that most people don't even know or have never heard about, we are presently, I've seen series of people, many people coming to my clinic, suffering from swollen gum, toothache, oral diseases, or even mouth cancer. But if I ask them a series of questions, I hardly see just one of them still chewing stick to clean their mouth, to replace toothbrush they were using, even once a day. And you know it is not proper to be brushing your teeth just once in a day. It is good to do it twice. But as far as Islam is concerned, because I'm a Muslim, you can do it as more as 5 times a day. Because one of the sunnah of our prophet that when you want to observe every salah, you want to perform wudu, that is ablution. The prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to train the stick before it, which is siwak. But we are not talking of siwak. Siwak is not native to us. It is good if you have siwak, but this one I'm holding is good as well, which I've mentioned its name. Now, if you are suffering from toothache, you are suffering from gum, swollen gum, as a result of accumulation of the presence of bacteria in your mouth, or any other related oral diseases, tonsillitis, mouth odor, even to the level of oral cancer. Do you know this stick I'm holding that you don't know can prevent you from all the various types of mouth diseases that that may happen to you, or the one you are even suffering from? This one can cure it. The most funny thing is that look at the way it looks like. If a man is chewing it and you are swallowing the water, you are squeezing out from it while you put it in you chewing it in your teeth, my God, it will enhance your potency. It will enhance the way you meet your husband, your wife. So if you tend to throw away the culture that we are brought up with, it will lead us to a point or a situation whereby we may not likely find any other solution to it than revert back to it. No matter how civilized you are, no matter how learned you are, even if you are a professor, please, can't you just get a stick of this and use it once in a day? I'm not saying you shouldn't use toothpaste, though I'm still coming another day to tell you the side effects you may likely see in most of the ingredients used in preparing or in producing the toothpaste we are using today. And the funny thing is that most of them cannot even prevent most of the diseases or the bacteria that can affect our mouth, our aura, that may make us uncomfortable. Do you know the another funny thing that I will let you know about this? It's about sickle cell anemia. I will talk about that later, but today I will stop here. My brothers and sisters, those of you that are listening to my audio, my video, kindly share this video. You need this at your home. If you don't know, you can cut it into small pieces so that if you cannot chew this one like the way I'm doing, it may be too big for you, but you can cut into smaller pieces, and you start doing that. You can use it before you use your toothpaste that you regularly use, and you can even use after you have done that. I'm telling you, if you use this just once in a day, till from the morning to the evening, you will hardly feel you have any dirty things in your teeth. You hardly feel it. That is why there are many of it. I'm just coming up with just one of it. Just one. This one has many therapeutic values, which I will start discussing from today on. Stay tuned. No matter how civilized you are, wherever you are living, maybe in US, in America or UK, kindly find this from one of your relatives that are coming from Nigeria to your place. Help me get one stick of Orin Ata. You can use it for like a month if you cut into small pieces and start using it. Until you use it, that is when you will understand what I'm saying. Bye for now.